So, for how long have you been having the coughing and the illness?
For quite a while, I must admit.
Do you often cough up blood like this?
Oh, sometimes.
And yet, in spite of the coughing, you can still sing perfectly.
Why, yes.
You're an opera soprano, right?
That's true.
Tell me, are you in a relationship?
Yes.
And have you and your partner been engaging in any form of intimate physical contact, such as kissing, in the past few days?
Oh, yes, all the time. We've been making out quite often, you know.
And he has shown no sign of that illness so far?
Not that I know of, no.
What is your partner's voice type, by the way?
Tenor.
Oh my god, just what I was afraid of.
What is it?
Ma'am, I really hate to have to be saying this to you, but...
Oh, tell me, what is it?
I'm afraid that you have caught the incurable cough of death.
What?
And based on general statistics and the factors you've given me, there's a 0% chance of survival for you.
Oh my god.